I found a tool that, with just one simple command, claims it can handle multiple PDF tasks at the same time. Convert to Word, remove watermarks, translate into any language, compress the file, and even generate a full PDF from scratch. All of this without ever leaving a single page, just one sentence. So the real question is this actually a serious tool? And how well does it perform each of these tasks in a real workflow? Let's test it properly. Right now, I'm inside LightPDF, and I want to run a real scenario. Imagine you're working on a client file. You have a PDF that contains a watermark, needs to be converted into Word, compressed for sharing, and translated for a different region. Normally, this would require at least 4 or 5 different tools, and you'd constantly switch between them. But here, I'm going to do everything with a single command. I upload the file and type, convert this file to Word, remove the watermark, translate it to French, and compress the final output. That's it. No multiple buttons, no switching tabs, just one instruction. Now let's see what happens. The AI immediately understands the request, asks a quick clarification, and starts processing step by step. And this part is important. It's not just performing one action, it's chaining multiple operations together and executing them as a complete workflow. Conversion, cleanup, translation, and optimization all happen in one continuous flow. This is where things start to feel different from traditional tools. And here's the result: a clean Word file, a compressed version, and a fully translated version ready to download. Before downloading, I can preview everything directly inside the platform to make sure everything looks correct. So this is not just basic automation, this is essentially replacing an entire manual workflow. And it doesn't stop there. You can even upload multiple files at once and assign different instructions to each of them, without processing them one by one. This alone can save a huge amount of time if you're dealing with multiple documents regularly. Now let's push this further. Instead of editing a document, let's generate one from scratch. I simply type, create a 5-page annual report for a small company. Within seconds, it generates a complete structured PDF with sections like company overview, financial performance, and even placeholders for charts and visuals. This isn't just something to look at, you can actually use it as a working document. Now let's look at another real use case. Imagine you're a freelancer and you need to send an invoice to a client. Instead of using Excel or searching for templates, you go into the invoice generator. You enter client details, services, pricing, and taxes, and everything is calculated automatically. No formulas, no setup, just a clean, professional invoice ready to send. And one more scenario. Let's say you took a photo of a document or you have a screenshot of text. Normally, you'd have to rewrite everything manually. Here, you just upload the image, run OCR, and instantly get fully editable text. Clean, structured, and ready to use. Even tables can be extracted into usable formats. Now here's the main question that I keep seeing in the comments about other tools. Why is this better than traditional PDF tools? Because with traditional tools, you manage tools. Here, you manage outcomes. Instead of asking, which tool should I open? You simply say, this is what I want, and the AI handles the rest. And to put it into perspective, what used to take multiple tools and several minutes of manual work can now be done with a single command in just a few seconds. That shift alone makes the entire workflow faster and simpler. Now, is it perfect? Not always. If the layout is very complex, you might still need some minor adjustments. But for most real-world use cases, it removes the majority of manual work. For me, this feels less like using a PDF tool and more like having an assistant that handles documents for you. And once you get used to this, going back to traditional workflows feels unnecessarily slow. If you work with PDFs regularly, whether you're a student, freelancer, or content creator, this is definitely worth testing. Try it yourself, run your own workflow, and see how much time you actually save. The link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.